Hey friends, ready to climb a 47-meter tall Ming Dynasty giant that once ruled Beijing's night? Meet Bell Tower, where ancient timekeeping meets epic city views. Why? It's cooler than your phone clock. First, 700-year-old OG alarm clock. The tower's 63-ton bronze bell. Yes, heavier than 10 elephants. Run at 7 p.m. sharp for centuries, signaling city-wide curfews. Number 2. Architecture flex. No nails, just the wooden brackets, earthquake-proof design. And stairs deeper than your gym stairmaster. Trust me, the climb's worth it. Number 3. Secret views. Top floor equal to 360-degree panorama of hutongs, skyscrapers, and Gulo Street's chaos. Ancient meets modern in one frame. Pro tips: sunset magic hits the tower at golden hour. Watch red roofs glow and locals bike through shadowy hutongs below. Pair with drum tower, do the double header. Hear drum performance every day, 1:30 p.m. to 4:30. That's give you goosebumps. But wait, can I touch the bell? No, but you can feel its thunderous echo in documentary. Played on site. Ready to time travel? Follow Better China Trip for more UNESCO-level secrets. Dear me, Bell Tower, to plan your Beijing deep dive, think midnight hutong walks, dumpling feasts, and stories even locals forget. See you next time.